with Tassie!
Hi, little learners! Today's letter is magical and mighty. It's the letter M. Can you say it with me? This is uppercase M. It makes a sound, just like when you eat something yummy. And this is lowercase m. M is for monkey. Swings on a vine and waves. Mushroom. Pops up from the grass with a smile. Music. Notes float through the air as a little band plays. Let's trace the letter M in the air. Up, down, up, down. You made a mountain shape. That's uppercase M.
M is the letter we and sing maze. On CEOs when the rain clouds pass by. Music makes us dance and cheer.
M is the letter we love to hear.
Magnificent work, friends! Wave goodbye to monkey, mushroom, and music. And we'll see you for the next magical letter.